guess we are going to be live in a second. Okay, cool. So yeah, so let's begin. So I'm preparing a coursework, and this is for those of you that watch the recording instead of just seeing the live stream. But I'm preparing a recording. I'm preparing a coursework material where students need to upgrade their CDF. And during the classroom, when I tell everybody, well, now you need to download stuff, or now you need to do the exercise, then they just wouldn't be able to do it properly because 30 people downloading from Docker Hub for 30 sessions of the same file, it's just going to create a big of clutter in the download speed, and then all my students will be just waiting to see how the screen refreshes very slowly instead of just doing the job. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the download package for them and save it on my master node, and that would be my way to help them do it pretty fast. So as usual, I'm going to read from something like that. Okay, basically apply patch, and that's what we're going to do. Eventually it's going to be apply patch, but for now I'm just going to handle the download. But luckily for us, other than installation itself, everything else is the same. So basically download requires us to do a lot of things before we can actually deploy the patch, so not very different. Okay, fantastic. So what we're going to do, we are going to download the zip file, yes, and then we are going to unzip it. So I'm going to unzip. No, let's make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. So I'll go to PuTTY settings over here. So you just wouldn't be suffering from all of those small letters, right? So I think 14 should be big enough. Let's wait for that. Okay, 12. So that's 10, that's 12, 14. Okay, whoa, that's going to be huge. How huge is it? Oh, okay, well, that should do it. All right. So, okay, one second. Yeah. Let's make one of the windows here bigger. So I have 3 screens. Sorry about that. It's just the way it is. So I'm looking at the procedure from this perspective. All right, let's begin. So unzip, not /unzip, just unzip this bit over here. That's going to be number 1. And I guess I need to unzip it once more. Yep. Now I need to unzip the chart, so I'm going to unzip the new chart wherever it is. Oh, it has a folder of its own. Okay, so we are going to go into the folder. Let's see okay, and I'm going to unzip it right here then, whatever it is. Yeah, all right. Fantastic. So we need to go to Tools, Generate Download. Right, so we are going to generate the download package, and then just a command that I copied from here. Okay, and then we'll go with the generate download script. Generate download bundle. How many extensions it has? Jar and sh. Okay, so it's going to be sh -- chart, and then I'm going to specify that it's root ops b13. And inside it should be OpsBridge charts, and then it's going to be OpsBridge TGZ. Yes, -o. That's minus organization. HEESW item, I guess. Okay. Did I specify where it goes? Well, it probably goes right to the Kubernetes folder where I am right now. That sucks. I should have been specifying the folder too, like -d or something. I'll have to clean it up later. All right. Nevertheless, trying to calculate the images. We'll give it an opportunity. Okay. Trying to calculate. Well, so I'm going to download and upload the images. This way it would be a little bit easier. Okay, so there's the offline download. So I'm going to move it actually to offline download to /root/opsb13. It's gonna be easier to delete it later. So I'm going to be going to this directory over here, and we are going to unzip the offline download. So unzip offline download zip. Go for it. Okay, cd offline download. And now I need to just go with download images. sh, and I'm not going to specify where to download because we don't care. We don't care. I'm going to upload it as well. Okay. Continue. Yes. Unauthorized. So that's my Docker Hub password over here. 24 images. That's quite a few images. Okay, so now we will be just watching that thing and listening to music. So while it downloads, I will be actually documenting. Okay, so basically I'm writing a procedure right here. No, let me just, I'll do it in front of you. So here I am developing an appendix. So basically it states that I'm going to show my students how I downloaded and uploaded the images while they do not have to do it at all. All right, so I'm going to leave some steps for them. So I'm going to, for example, do step number 1. SSH to master node. And then I'm going to say via mremote ng and close quotes, mark the world, Control K, mremote ng. How to use mremote ng, and that's I'm going to link to it. So now my students that would be their actually first exercise with me, some of them, or the first exercise this week actually. They will know what I mean. So basically this, and I'm going to say unzip the patch archive, the patch zip file, and I'm going to repeat the command. So I cannot repeat the command. Okay, I'll have to find it myself somewhere over here. Right, so that would be unzip and the right click. All right, and I'm going to paste it here, mark it in bold, enter the folder. It should be enter the folder, not under. Enter the directory, and it's going to be somewhere over here. Oh, come on, it refreshes the page every time. That's okay. CD, whatever this is. Oh no! Yeah, so basically every time it adds something to the thing below, I just. Okay, I'm going to. You know what? I'm just going to copy all of this All of it. Yeah. No. Oh man, that's go 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 go. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Go up, 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 up. Okay, right, Jake. Oof. Okay. Okay, that was scary. So I'll just clone everything to here, and now I have all my commands while we can observe that things running here. Can I pin it? Can I make it on top? No, I cannot. Okay, so we just wait. So I'm going to do the CD root and then mark it in bold so people would know that this is okay. And then unzip the chart zip archive. Yeah, it's okay. And we are going to do this. No. Actually going to be one of those commands, right? Unzip. That's what we managed to copy. All right. Unzip, Control B. And that's it for the procedure itself. So for an appendix, we are going to just copy all of it. And that's going to be CD, enter the generate download bundle script directory. And I'm going to paste one of those things from here. Oh no, it's formatting. Paste this plain text. Control V. Okay, and then it's going to be generate the download bundle. Right, and I'm going to specify that unfortunately it's going to be this whole thing. Oh no. Okay, Control C, Control V. There is a typo over here, so I'm going to fix it. And I'm going to say be above, and let's see what the status of that thing is. Okay, downloading image 15. Okay, so we're good. Okay, let's go back to editing over here. And this time I'm actually going to show a picture of it, probably. Right. Completed generation. Okay, so I'm going to say something like this. Okay, something among those. Okay, what was it? Okay, and we will make it a little bit bigger. So all of this nice thing is going to be here as a screenshot. Okay, and then it's going to be enter. Okay, copy the download script to some more convenient place, or going to be or to machine that has access to the internet. Okay, and it's going to be the move command from here. Right, it's going to be the move command, so it's going to be move offline. Okay, and I'm going to paste it in plain text, Control B, or to a machine. Okay, and then the directory. And might be wondering, why am I documenting it like this? I mean, the documentation exists and everything else exists. And the point is, I get asked questions, and when I can provide such a nice answer, like step-by-step answer, it actually works. It's just it's just cooler. Okay, and then it's going to be unzip the download bundle and the folder. Right, so it's going to be like this, and then an end, and I'm going to actually do the CD too, because why not? I mean, I can do the same thing in one command, right? Just for some people that are not familiar with it, now they know that you can combine commands. Let's see where we are. It's on number 15. Oh, it's Vertica. Yeah, it's a big file. It's gonna take a while. So yeah, so you see, imagine yourself 30 people would be doing it simultaneously. 30 people in a classroom from the same data center. And the first course is going to be taking place in North America, so during the US time zone, right? When basically the whole Docker hub is located over there. At least from my experience, I know that they have proxies and whatnot, but they are all located in the same place. But while all of the American internet is buzzing with users, I mean, to compare the what can go wrong with that thing, I did it once for a Sitescope download, so it's like 900 megabytes at the time. And in Europe, it took 6 minutes to everybody in the whole classroom. In US, it took 6 hours. I'm not kidding. Those are the real numbers. 6 hours, yeah. So we had to do a lot of other labs, but verify on every computer that are they there yet? Have they finished the download? It's just too much. Okay, download the images. Second is going to be download the images, and it's going to be, what am I doing? I'm going to do the download images bit. Right, so it's going to be download images SSH, and we are going to take a screenshot from here, from the terminal. Okay, Control B. You will be requested to authenticate with your approved Docker Hub account. Okay, and that's about it. So let's take a picture. Let's take a screenshot in the meanwhile. So it's going to be registry, yes. Going to be okay. Continue, yes. No. Bash. Password. There's like a lot of bash not found things, I guess. I don't know what's causing it, but we're going to say, well, this is what we did. And then it's going to say what's the username and password, and actually going to blur it. Not just because, you never know where those things end up, and this is my last name. I know that it's kind of ironical, but believe me, things happen and your name ends up in presentation or something, so it's not the same thing. Okay, so that's the download images. Wait for the 24 images to download, and then upload the images. I'm going to be basically something like upload images.shell, and I think you don't need to specify what's going on, and it's going to ask you for credentials anyway. You will be asked to provide the admin password for your CDF or CDF installation. All right, that's what's going to happen. Okay. Right, so we are waiting for that exactly. For that thing exactly, that's what we wait for. Right, it's still downloading Vertica. It's, yeah. Is it still downloading? I can verify. So I'm going to duplicate the tab, and I'm going to say htop. Oh, come on, top. Let's see, do we have something working for us? And command, yeah. Our Java is running, so we're still doing it. That's going to be one, and then I'm going to say ps minus a grep download. What did I do? I don't know. Is it ps minus big A? Don't remember. Master. Oh. Did it stop? I think I made. Oh, I made a major mistake. Oh no, I just. Right. Okay, well, it should continue from the same place, right? To download images. See that? Ah, man. Right, so I'm gonna say put and I'm gonna say my password. Okay, so it should say image exists up until the Vertica. Yeah, so one of the characters, when I copied the thing, one of the characters was a breaking character, right? So now, is it downloading everything from scratch? It does, isn't it? Okay, well, is it just, oh, cd var, cd/var opt, Kubernetes offline. What do we have here? What's in the list? Oh, it just started downloading images from scratch. You see that? It says, well, I don't care. The images exist over there, so I'm going to create myself any completely new thing. Okay, well, that sucks. But that's life, you know. When you develop training, you absorb all of the mistakes, and your students get to do it really fast, and then they know the right way while you figure it out. So there we go. We figured it out. Don't do post. What would it be? Don't do retroactive training capturing, training steps capturing for your training while it downloads. You might interrupt the script, right? So there, it's actually pretty fast. It's 9 out of 24, and Vertica was number 15. Vertica shouldn't be that big. I mean, the download, the installation package itself, it's like 250 megabytes. That's all. But I guess in containers, the sizes are never matching, right? It should have all of the OS bits, the unique bits, and all the prerequisite bits, and only then somewhere in it would be already installed Vertica, with kind of not really the same size as the tar or the RPM package itself. That's okay. hope I'm not running out of... Oh, there's vertical. That was super fast. Yeah, so that was me screwing around the thing. DF minus H. How are we doing on the disk space? Okay. Is that 78% occupied? I guess it is. Yeah. So I used quite a lot. 78%, that's not enough to start it, so I'll have to clean up the system before I save it. That's fine. Basically, when you download images, it keeps a copy on your hard drive. Then you upload the images to the repository. So they sit in the repository. So I need to delete all of the downloaded images, basically to clean up house for my students, and that would be it, I guess. But also, I guess I'll find some super huge log file for Vertica or something. You can actually check it out. So I'm going to do this ll var vols, and it's going to be recursive. So it's going to be -r, and I'm actually going to be humanized, human readable form, and I'm going to grep Vertica. Let's see. Okay, where's the vertical log? Vertical log. Okay, I'm going to specify vertica.log. Okay. A couple of gigabytes actually. Maybe 3 gigabytes or something. That's quite a lot, but not... okay, so the images are downloaded and we can take a screenshot. I'm gonna say we're going to download it. Took 3 minutes. Oh man, that was counterproductive what I did previously, all right? Okay, put it here. And then actually I'll move it. I'll move the screenshot over here. And I'll move it down. Okay, and then we are going to say upload images. And there's the upload images. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Now we're going to say the password. So it's going to be the same password that I use for everything in training. And there we have it. So I'm going to take a picture. Where is the upload pictures? Yes. Oh, no. I'm going to say arrow. We're going to say title. Suite admin password like this, and we are going to put it here, and then we're gonna say wait for the images to upload. Okay. So that more or less would conclude the bit for my students. Then I just need to finalize it, and that's gonna be it. You know what? I'm going to clean it up a little bit. CD. Is it here? No, it's here. No, link it here. Yeah, quite a lot of those. It's okay. I'm gonna do some cleanup later. It's fine. Once the upload is done, we will do some. CD root. What do we have here to delete? Not too much. $64 weeks, out of which only health sits in item. Okay. So Ops Bridge volume 15, not that big. That one, it's volume 3. Volume 4 was 1.2 megs, so volume 3 has a lot of folders. Volume 2, it's 1 giga big, So I guess most of it would go to volume 1. 3.5. Still make something else that takes all of this space. No, it's all volume 1. Oh, is it still uploading? It is. Okay, so 33 in opt, OPT, 33 in vols. So it's those are the images that we're going to clean up a little bit later. And yeah, so let's go to vols, item, and then we're gonna, oh no, I'm gonna run this command. So core has 26, so we'll go to core. And we'll run the same command. So let's just base infra has cd base infra. Let's run this. Yeah, it's all in the registry. So there's not too much to clean. I mean, basically, that's all the data that was accumulated by the suite itself. Those are just the logs. So it's all in the registry. It's just 23 gigabytes in the registry. It's going to be probably more when it's done over here. So I can free about 33 gigabytes from the system, which would put me above 50% actually. Well, let's let it run then. Let it run this vertical. I hope it's kind of replacing the old images. Take a picture of that because then I can save my document, right? So I'm gonna say great success. Okay, update.
Because if a person stops stimulating us, we stop loving them.
All right, done with this. Then I'll just develop the exercise itself after I clean up and save everything.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid because I'm starting to see that.
Yeah, it grows. It's 24 gigs now. Right, it is done. It is done. So let's see what's the damage. Base infra. Total 25. Okay, there was nothing there that I can do about it. So I go to var opt, Kubernetes, and then cd offline, and I'll go remove r fr everything over here, and then we'll do -h. Oh no, that's going to be df -h. And we are at 52%, which is super nice. So I'm going to go to the, let's clean it up using a bigger font. All right, so I'm going to clean up after myself over here. I'll remove -4 for this thing over here. And I think that is pretty much it, right? df -h. What time is it? I'm on 51%. That's actually not that bad. So now using my trusty multi SSH command doer thingy, I'm going to initiate kube stop .sh -y. It's going to work both on master and worker simultaneously. See one command from here in the corner, it just toasted both of them. I like it very much. So master is done, worker is not, so we are going to wait for it to be done. that's it. Worker is done, master is done. Let's U mount -A. Okay, and then we are going to say power off. Oh no, I stopped my OBM server. That sucks for me. And that is an unintended consequence. Whoa. That was purely unintentional. Well, I have a snapshot from like 3 hours ago in case it goes ballistic on me. In case it goes kaboom, basically.
And lay it all down.
All right, so now I'm going to say that I'm saving those. Those are going to be snapshot, take snapshot. So I'm going to be saying golden candidate patch uploaded, not installed. Okay, save it. And that's 1, and that's 2. Take snapshot. Paste the snapshot. Right, and OBM. I have no idea what it's doing right now. Yeah, we don't care. Power up those two. And just kick the OBM server. That's all I have for it actually. Yeah, reset. Yeah, just reset that server. There's nothing I can do for it really. It should recover. Sensitive, but not sensitive. All right. The mission is successful, and I have prepared the machines for my students, saved them at the state where I want them to be, and my next thing to do would be actually developing the what it's called, the exercise itself, the upgrade exercise, which might take whatever time it takes, but at least the download and upload phases are deleted or removed as an obstacle from my students' task list, and it saves about 40 minutes. So I'm happy with that, and that's 40 minutes if one of them is doing it at a time, and if everybody are doing it in parallel, simultaneously during the US daytime hours, it's going to be super slow download before we get to the super slow upload. So definitely a good thing, definitely a good checkpoint. So for now, I'll just end this stream. Thanks, everybody. It was super nice to do it while feeling as if someone is watching while nobody is here.